Direct in off the last owner, beautiful Volkswagen Polo 1.2 TSI Match Edition DSG. This is the automatic, finished in Reflex silver metallic, a beautiful low mileage example. The last owner bought it as a pre-registered vehicle with nominal mileage. It was registered in October 2017 on a 67 plate. Great value for money, great little automatic. Lovely example all round. Reflex silver metallic, easy colour to keep clean. Let's take you all the way around it. You've got rear parking sensors, Blue Motion TSI. All the loading area in great condition, no damage, no scuffs, no marks on there on the bumper. Good sized boot, all lovely and clean. No damage on there, split folding rear seats. Got the false floor there, additional storage under there. The spare wheel just under there with a complete toolkit. All brand new. All the bodywork down the sides, great condition. No dents, no scratches, no scuffs, no little dings anywhere. A very nice example all round, well cherished. So the 5-spoke alloy wheels on it, again all those in great condition, not been refurbished since the car came in, no damage to those. Front parking sensors, and all across the front, lovely and clean, no damage, no major stone chips, looking beautiful. We did a video to show you exactly how nice all our cars are. Nothing's left to chance, giving you the confidence to buy this car from the comfort of your armchair. Many customers do. Many customers do that. Door trim all in great condition, again no damage there. Plenty of space in there, the legroom. Again all the upholstery in beautiful condition. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in there. Electric windows front and rear, electric mirrors, got folding mirrors too. Additional storage there. Automatic lights. Leather multifunction sport steering wheel. Again the driver's seat in great condition. Front centre armrest with additional storage in there. Again the passenger door trim, all the dashboard in great condition, no damage on those. And the amazing low mileage of just 16,448, that's what it's done, 16,448, 2017 car. Nice clear dash layout with a stereo, DAB radio, great sound system on the vehicle. Media input, Bluetooth phone, just get the sound absolutely perfect, onboard computer, gives you things like miles per gallon, fuel range and so forth. Nice and easy to manoeuvre through that. Apple Connect. All nice and easy. Just scroll through. Air conditioning. USB aux input and the automatic DSG gearbox. Cruise control, speed limiter, volume control, Bluetooth connection, onboard computer. Again, nicely clear layout in front of you on the dashboard. Very little live engine, 1.2, 90 brake horsepower. So just because of 1.2, don't think it's not very lively. It really does motor on with a smooth 7-speed automatic gearbox. We have 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, full HPI checked and clear, full service history. Lovely example. We welcome part exchange. Great finance, always available direct from ourselves. Talk to us about your HP or PCP needs, or use our online finance calculator to work out your low deposits, low monthly payments, and apply direct off our website. You can click and reserve this car 24/7, so if you fancy it at 2 o'clock in the morning, click and reserve it. Don't let somebody else beat you to it. We'll get many disappointed customers who just turn up to find the car's already been sold or reserved by somebody else. So if you do really fancy it, remember, just reserve it. The deposit is fully refundable should you feel the car is not as described. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Read about our raving fans reviews and you'll see why customers come back to us time and time and time again. Specialist Cars are based in Stoke on Trent, multi-award-winning dealer. You can click and collect this vehicle from our showroom. Alternatively, we can arrange a home delivery. Ask about full details. Happy to help. Always at the end of the phone, simply call us on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997 and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.